Hello to you, my friends in YouTube land. Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV is coming to you live here today on my YouTube channel, Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. Today I'll be creating a simple dish out of various ingredients here this morning. I will be doing some sardine fritters here today. So the sardine fritters, these are the sardines. You always hear me talk about steak sardine. There it is, fish steak. Beach Cliff fish steaks in soybean oil. That's what I always talk about. And some of my viewers and subscribers asking me, is that for real? Fish steak? Yes, sardine fish steak. So those are sardines in a can. You say it's fish steak, like sliced like steak. And these sardines here in soybean oil, these are the regular size one, 2 big chunks of sardines that are in the can. All right, so that's the difference. These are chunks, and these are sliced like steaks. So that is the difference. So I'll be making some sardine fritters here for you today, using a variety of ingredients to put this thing together, So I hope you will like it and enjoy the viewing of this episode of my Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV YouTube channel vlog. So the ingredients are sardine, number 1, and I'll be adding some eggs in it. Yes, eggs. Yes, I'm putting some eggs in it. And in addition, the second main ingredient, of course, is flour. Flour will be the base, and the sardines will go inside of the flour batter mixture, along with seasoning such as black pepper and salt and some curry for color and for flavor, additional flavor. And I'll have some scallion seasoning and some thyme, and of course some hot Scotch bonnet pepper in it, and a little bit of bell peppers will be going. No tomatoes will be going in that, but bell peppers. The tomatoes will be going inside of the vegetables. I'll be doing spinach as a side dish vegetable with some skinny beef frankfurters. Skinny beef frankfurters, and also with some steamed cabbage. It will be a combination. Steamed cabbage mixed with the spinach and the beef frankfurters. So I'll fry the beef frankfurters first, and then I'll steam the cabbage first, and then the spinach will go in last, because the spinach is more delicate, easier to cook than the cabbage. And so I'll put all of these things together and to create a dish, hoping that you will like the combination, the fusion, and what I've created. So, spice, curry, sea salt, black pepper, and I'll be dropping a little bit of soy sauce into the mixture of the flour batter, just because of the sardine. The sardine has a certain fragrance, and I try to get rid of it, as well as some vinegar, just to offset the fragrance of the sardine. I call it fragrance of the sardine. It's like a certain fragrance of rawness, so I want to get rid of that. So yes, it will be well put together. And so we'll have some onion powder in it, and garlic powder as well in the batter that I will mix in this bowl right here. Okay, so you're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV here on the YouTube platform. So all of these will be put together for you to create the complete dish. So stay tuned. Alright, I'm cutting up the cabbage That'll be part of the side dish. So today's dish is sardine fritters. Sardine steak fritters. Yes, they cut the sardine like steak, and they're in the can like steaks. And then I have also 2 tins of the chunky sardines as well. So all of that will be combined together in the flour batter mixture that will make, I'll be making the fritters. Alright, I'll be cutting up the spinach. So the spinach will be going with the cabbage to complete the dish. So you're watching the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV channel on the YouTube platform. Alright, so that's my spinach. Some of these scallion, not using any onions today, just scallion. This scallion will be going both in the vegetables and as well inside the fritters. This is one of the main seasoning that will be going inside of it. I like scallions better when I'm doing the fritters. Alright, the skinny beef franks, these will be going inside of the vegetable. But I'll be doing this separately and then combine them afterwards because I need to fry these. Just to make it yummy, makes it delicious and tasty, to make it more enjoyable. all of these beef franks go into the spinach and the cabbage. Soups. Alright. I'll be adding some sweet pepper. The sweet pepper is going into the vegetables. These tomatoes are for vegetables. These are not for the fritters. Alright, now everything is ready to go. Tomatoes are ready for the vegetables, bell peppers are ready for the vegetables, for the spinach, and for the cabbage. Cabbage and the spinach will be fused together in one to make it a combined dish as a side dish vegetable along with the scallion. And the beef franks will be done separately and then combined together once everything is done. Put it together so it'll be one dish. And of course, again, this is the eggs that will be going inside of the flour batter along with the sardines. So this will be a sardine fritters with vegetable. So that is what the ingredients, combined ingredients, look like. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV channel on the YouTube platform. So without any further delay, let me get going. I have this egg batter here. This egg mixture will be going inside of the fritters. Remember, you're in the cooking lab, the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV cooking lab. Maybe that's my next channel, cooking lab. So you're learning to create, put together a different fusion, combination of different dishes. Alright, so this will be going inside. And we'll leave it. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV channel here. Putting together a wonderful combination dish with vegetables as a side dish and sardine fritters as the main dish. So you're looking at all the ingredients here on the table that are put together to complete this dish. Sea salt. That's enough flour. That will be used to make the batter for the fritters. Next, black pepper. Next, curry. Next, onion powder. Next, I'm adding some garlic powder. This fritters here will be for breakfast for 2 days. So it depends on the size of your family, would determine how much you're making. So you combine them together, combine the curry, black pepper, and the salt, mix it out properly. Completely. Alright. Next, I'm going to add the sardines one by one. Sardine steak. That's what the sardine steak looks like inside of the can. Okay, my friends. Alright, this one doesn't have the 2 big trunks normally. Normally it comes with 2 big trunks. This one has 3 small fish inside of it. Alright, I'm going to add a little bit of the bell pepper just for color and contrast. And also it gives it a little bit of taste. Even though it would have been kind of vegetable, this one put it in. To change the dynamics. Change up the dynamics. So these are bell pepper. Red bell pepper. When we put in the tomatoes. And this one is orange bell pepper. Make it as colorful and as creative as you like. You're the boss. You do what you want in your kitchen. You're the creator. So you create things that you want to create. leaves. Some thyme leaves. In addition, I'm going to add some hot pepper. The hot pepper gives it a very beautiful flavor, taste. Yes, it's hot, but just to offset the fragrance of the sardine. You know how sardines smell already, so I don't have to tell you. In addition to that, I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar in there. That's it. And I'm going to add a little bit of soy. That's it. Mashing the sardine out, crushing the sardine, crushing the sardines, crushing the sardines, into the flour with the curry powder, the black pepper, and the salt. Combine it as best. I could have hand blended out, but I didn't want to do that because I want some of the lumps, pieces of the sardines to be in the fritters instead of completely blending it out. So I've decided not to blend it, to do it this way. Alright, so there's no editing here. You're seeing everything live as it appears. While we listen to Ikim in the background. I missed his Ellis this morning, so I'm playing it full. Alright, now I'm going to combine the egg mixture into it. Winston jar cooking on the stove. So expect when it comes to food. Drop a little bit of scallion in there as well. Okay, folks, throw the scallion away instead of inside the pot. This was a vessel that the egg was in, so I'm using it. So that's water. There's a cup of water. So now I'm carefully mix this out. The batter can't be too thin because you will create a mess in the oil when you're frying. So it has to be kind of thick. So inside of this mixture, flour mixture, that is called batter, is 4 cans of sardine, 3 cans of sardine steak or fish steak, and 1 regular can of sardine in soybean oil. Alright, so the ingredients inside of here, we have sardine as the main ingredient. We have flour as the second main ingredient. Then as far as seasoning spice, we have thyme, we have some bell pepper, we have hot Scotch bonnet pepper, we have scallion, and we have curry powder, we have black pepper, and we have sea salt, onion powders, and garlic powder. Vinegar in it to offset the fragrance of the sardine, and also some soy sauce inside of here as well. Okay? All to give it flavor, taste, and to enhance the texture of this batter. So yes, this is the texture. No more looser than that. This is perfectly okay. Don't make it too watery or too liquidy. So this texture right here is perfect. I used 1 big cup of water and 5 eggs, and this is what I was able to do. Okay, so we have eggs in here, 5 eggs, and water. My assistant was reminding me to write up something up. So there it is, eggs in here and water. So that's the combined ingredients. So now, we'll get ready to get this going. I am going to have multiple pots on the stove going at the same time. Okay, so that's sardine and flour. Always make sure when you're cooking for someone else, make sure you do things proper and very organized. Okay. Make sure your hands are always clean. That's one of the first things to wash your hands, and then prepare yourself. In cases where you need to wear gloves to do certain things, you wear gloves. Using a different spoon to take up the mixture to put it in the frying pan. So, wooden spoon for the service purpose.
Yan. Saglit lang. At naka-ano ako, naka-tawag na, naka-shipment.
May mga ba diyang mauhulog? Sabihan ko kayo ng 34 hours.
Bulog ka ba?
Total 34 performance to.
Pa, sino ka dyan? Ikaw parang bulating nasinan. Wow! Ala! Ala! Wala pang kain yan.
Diba?
Wala pa. Oo. Isa pa. Oh!
Dapat ginagawa pa. May sound ko na gano'n.
Pakinig talaga na hindi na magiging ako sa inyo.
Request na lang kayo ng gano'n.
Nandini ka na sinigra.
Pero,
Tumingin ka. Sige sa'yo ka doon. Dali. Natutuwa ako sa'yo na yun. Bakit sino ka dyan? Wala. Ngiti, lumulag mo na.
diba?
Yun na, oo. Wala kayong labas. Ayaw ka maraming tao dito.
Tonight,
Ayun na. Anong meron? Bakit dumami? Ba't nagpunat? Ba't dumami mo? Anong meron? Wala ba? Kasi lang hiningi ko. Bakit kayo hindi nila? Hindi nila. Wala kang lugaw din.
Alright. Fire is on. Ready to go. Olive oil. Alright, this is the mixture. Alright, so now I'm going to put it in the oil. Turn the fire on a little bit. It's very hot. Alright, so that is the sardine fritters on its way. That's the sardine fritters, my friends. Sardines, flour, egg, eggs, not egg, eggs, and seasoning, spices. mixer. Let's get some oil. This is for the cabbage. Cabbage and the spinach. All right, I'm going to fry the beef franks first. Then I'm going to take them out. And do the vegetables. Alright, I'm removing these from the pot. Tomatoes and my bell peppers.
I wanna go with me, my heart you will be. I will come like this, I will give it you love it. Rush and roll it, and let us see me out of fun. And baby, when it's rabbit, kissing, from the round. I feel the heart, you show what I got. Like, I feel the heart.
Offset the fragrance of the sardine, the rawness of the sardine. Let's not hide it, the rawness of the sardine. To get rid of the rawness of the sardine, I put a little bit of vinegar and a little bit of soy sauce as well into the mixture. Alright, so this is the cabbage. salt, sea salt. Next batch. Okay, my friends, ladies and gentlemen, this is the finishing touch. This is the final end results of this journey here today, this cooking challenge on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV channel here today. So this is the sardine fritters. This is what the end result is. This is what they look like. So this sardine fritters consists of sardines, of course, which is the main ingredients inside of this recipe, and flour, and then you have eggs. I put 5 eggs in here. You have scallions, you have thyme, and you have garlic powder, you have onion powder, you have hot pepper, you have soy sauce, and you have vinegar. That's to offset the fragrance of the rawness of the sardine, and as well sea salt and other ingredients in here that make, and some bell pepper as well, that is inside of this sardine fritters here. And over here I have steamed cabbage with spinach, and also beef frank fritters, skinny beef frank fritters, fried. And so this is the makeup of this complete dish here for today on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So giving you a full view of it. Steamed cabbage with spinach and beef frank fritters, black tea, and sardine fritters. That's what I will be having for my breakfast here today on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV channel on the YouTube platform. So what do you think? Tell me what you think in the comment section when this video is run, and you view it. Let me know if you like it or you don't like it. Alright, but I know you will like it. Alright, so it's looking scrumptiously delicious, yummy, tasty, delightful, very appetizing. And when I taste it, I know it will be mouth watering full. Alright. So shout out to all my buddies across the world, especially in the Philippines. Shout out to all of you. You know who you are. And thanks very much for your support. And I dedicate this to Ikim and his sister. I told Ikim Razalas a long time ago that I was going to do this for him. And so here it is, Ikim. It is done. Sardine Fritters. Sardine Fritters. Beef steak, fish steak sardine, not beef. Fish steak sardines. Fritters. And steamed cabbage. Steamed cabbage. And fry beef corn fritters, and with another vegetable in there, and of course bell pepper, thyme, hot pepper, black pepper, onion powder, and so on. Thank you for watching. Please support the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV channel on the YouTube platform. I see you on another fantastic journey on another cooking challenge. Have a great day. See you very soon. Ciao, ciao.
Find your next customer with Facebook ads. Reach more people. Connect with your target audience.